Hello everyone, so today is our Sunday and we are going to market to search for a fish. So let's see which fish is there today. So stay tuned. Hi!
Hello, we are driving to the market. We are almost about to reach the market.
Yes, so this is on the way. We are to the market of Mandren. So Mandren market.
And then which
See,
is
this,
Mandren market.
Now the watermelon has came. It's the season of watermelon.
पहले तो fish को यहाँ पर है.
So first we are planning to go to buy fish. Then we will give the fish at home. Then again I'll go to my mummy, my home. Okay. There I'm having many pets. So I'll show you them. I'm having my cats, then my dogs. I will show them if they are there because they are always in roaming. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is the market. So this is the market. We are entering into the market now. We have to see if there is fish available. Not.
We have came here at 1 p.m.
1 p.m.
and
So
we are
have to
searching for
see.
fish, which is very bad time to actually search for a fish in Goa.
I don't know.
Yeah, here
She's
there are
there.
some.
Yeah, she's there.
Look, people are there to sell the fish. So we are lucky enough.
So we are taking fish from only one auntie.
So we,
got any.
there is fish, but the thing is, the fish kind of wanted is
Not
over,
there.
and the fish which is left is we don't eat that. So our bad luck. Let's try at that market. Fingers crossed.
So I want to ask that.
Ask.
So I want to ask you guys, do you like our vlogs? Really? That
And if yes, then
do
please.
share, comment, like, subscribe, and give us lot of love.
Yes, and we will hunt up very beautiful content for you in Goa.
Yes.
So lot of planned content is coming and planned. So also we will be releasing that. Okay. So this is our chill out Sunday. So Sunday we don't have anything to do apart from our personal space. But sometimes we are having work. Okay. So yes, we will enjoy today Sunday. So we found one guy here who is selling bangla. So let's see. Go Vicha. He is having a mackerel, that is bangla, for 12 pieces for 100. Let's see how big are those. So this guy also is having small bangla, which we don't prefer to buy, although he is selling it at very good price. But we want to explore some other fish as well. So let's see
Big fish.
in that main market what all fish are available.
In Goa, no, what we call the big fish, cockroaches.
काय हा आता काय आहे म्हटलं ना आता कट.
Very fresh. Too hot nowadays, so I am selecting this cucumber. They are not having this fresh. What's up?
This vegetable shopping is done, and
So I
some
have taken
cucumbers.
kakri, cucumber.
So yeah, we are done with fish and vegetables. So we will go at home now.
No, I want fruit.
Which fruit?
So now I am selecting some of fruits for me. लीची कैसा है?
कितना आता है पाव किलो में?
का दे दो। These are the lychees now.
So we are now done with vegetables, fruits and fish.
See, these are the lychees. So I'm having here lychees. I want to try them. No need to wash them because they're having cover outside.
Let me try as well. It's good, but it's not pocket friendly.
Yeah, it's Itu, Chinky's son. Okay, this is his elder brother. That is Billa. This is Billa. Okay, and this is the new one. This is new. This is also male. Okay, we have not decided yet his name. And this is that Chinky. See, this is a bee. This is our older cat. Female cat, Chinky. Okay? She is 7 years.
So now we are having our lunch.
This is sabji.
So this is fish, hade bangla. This is kalwa.
When's the time fixed?
So I have just now finished with the lunch and I'm doing my work because, as you know, I have traveled to Bombay for 4 days and a lot of work of mine is pending. So I'll just quickly settle it up and we'll see where we can go. So let me finish the work first.
So it's 8:16 p.m. now.
So we have almost finished our works. She came back from her workspace. I finished my pending works and
Now, so now we are exploring just a drive. Let's see where we will go, and we don't know anything. So stay tuned.
so we visited the very
Swami
famous
Samartha temple.
Swami Samartha temple in Seoul. And so we took the blessings of him. Still we have not decided where to go. So yeah, let's go.
So now we have planned to go to one seafood restaurant. I want to eat some of the fish.
So actually the restaurant is very crowded and we are waiting outside the restaurant. So the manager has told us like the one table will get allocated in 5 minutes. So probably we will get that. Let's see.
Yeah.
So we have actually got a place to sit. But the thing is, we wanted the outside area, so the restaurant is very much crowded, so that's why we did not get it. So yeah, we are comfortable here also because here there is also a beach view. You can see.
Sahil has ordered prawns. It's Rava fried Goan special prawns.
You will not be eating.
I'll eat only one.
Now we have ordered chicken tikka. So we had our dinner at this restaurant. We did not get to sit outside near the sea, but yes, we got the sea view in the restaurant. It is actually a nice place to chill out if you are having time and if you want to have a dinner and chill out for a long time. It's actually good. And food is also awesome. So if you want to know the place, comment down and we will reply you with the place name. So yeah, with that said, bye bye. If you like the vlog,
Say
please
goodnight.
share, subscribe, like and share. Good night.